You guys see it, man. We got the Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies to release today, and in today's video, we're doing a full review breakdown over these clean, man, Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys already know what we're doing, bro. I know you've seen a little intro. Y'all seen the on feet over these things. They look very clean, bro. Very clean on feet. It's not a bad Air Jordan 3, but I know the timing is probably not the best, bro. We got so many sneaker drops within these last couple of weeks, or probably within the last couple of months, and people are not prioritizing something like this. They want the hype stuff. They want the Powerpuff Girls. They want the SBs. They want all that other crazy hype stuff, you feel me? But for people that, you know, strictly stick with Jordan and stuff like that, I know y'all love the Midnight Navies, given the fact that, you know, they kind of look similar to a couple other Air Jordan 3s we got this year. And one I want to really talk about is the Air Jordan 3 PE Wizards, man. The Wizard PEs they don't look exactly like these, but you got the same, you know, predominantly white upper with the, you know, blue hits in the sneaker. So a lot of people are like, yo, why do I need to cop these if I have those Wizard PEs? And I guess this is up to you, you know what I'm saying? It's up to how you want to spend your money. It's up to what you want to add to the collection. Before we jump any further in today's video, if you guys are new, right now what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge thumbs up on today's video. The likes go a long way. If you guys want to see, you know what I'm saying, more content like this, we're breaking down these sneakers, I need everybody to smack that like button, bro. It's free, man. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the box real quick. I know I kind of already talked about it in the early unboxing, you know, something different. You know, you got the Jumpman over here with your elephant print on the other side of the sneaker. Nothing crazy on the inside. Pretty basic box besides the, you know, little tri effect that they put on here. And the fish color reads Air Jordan 3 Retro White and Midnight Navy. And I always recommend going up a half a size on your threes, man. It fits so much better when you go up a half a size. And that's why you guys see me rocking these things comfortably in our own feet, man. So let's put this over here. And you guys seen both of them already, bro. Y'all see them, man. Y'all see these things, bro. The Midnight Navy guys, bro. The Midnight Navy guys definitely came here to the you know what I'm saying, the sneaker room. I said, bro, I gotta break these down for everybody, because I know a lot of people probably wondering how I feel about them. And my energy is still the same, bro. Like, it's still a very clean sneaker, but are they worth $200, bro? Are they worth $200? I honestly do not think so. I think Jordan Brand need to kind of reevaluate everything as far as these retail prices. Even though we know that the inflation is crazy, but if they go to 160, bro, imagine if they go back down to 160. You're already talking about, you know what I'm saying, breaking even as far as us buying a sneaker, because, you know, usually when a shoe retail for $200, you go to the mall a couple weeks later and they on sale for $150, $160. So hopefully we get that price drop in the retail tag, but I know it's a stretch, but that will be very nice to get a little drop in that retail price. Man, go ahead and check them out, bro. Midnight Navy 3s. This is a right sneaker right here. Just an off first rip, bro. You guys see the predominantly white upper, and the leather is not bad at all, bro. I know a lot of people probably wondering, how's the leather, or is it clean? Is it good quality? Yes, it's a very good quality Air Jordan 3, and I ain't trying to gas up or anything. It's probably better as far as the softness, the leather quality, than the Wizard PEs. Now, I got both of them in today. We already kind of compared them in the early unboxing. I said, bro, these things are soft and they're super comfortable, man. So you can't go wrong with a pair of threes, man. So you got the all white predominantly upper, got your gray hits here, and of course you got your Midnight Navy hits on the lacing system. They came with all white laces. You get no extra laces with these guys right here. But if you guys want to go crazy with it, find some Midnight Navy laces or some gray. I think the gray laces will go crazy in these. Put some gray laces in here. You definitely in the game, because you do have your gray hits right here on the lacing system. You do have that all, you know, kind of gray outsole, man. Check it out real quick. See if that focuses. Focus. There you go, man. You got your Jordan down there. Got a Midnight Navy pod. And then, of course, on the tongue, bro, you got that clean Midnight Navy Jumpman on these guys. And of course, bro, we did not get no Nike Air on the back. You got your regular Jumpman Air right here, as you guys can see. And this didn't deserve it, bro. It didn't deserve a Nike Air. Everything don't deserve a Nike Air. But I know there's gonna be some people in the comment section saying, if they had Nike Air, I would have been all over it. But man, these don't deserve it, bro. They honestly do not deserve it, man. If you guys want to check out how I lace them, bro, you guys can see nothing too crazy with the laces, bro. Usually either do it like this, kind of loose lace style, or I just, you know what I'm saying, lace it all the way up and let the laces hang off the sides of the sneaker. But I was like, you know what? Let me stand and rock it like this, and the pants and the jeans that I did throw with these midnight navies, it actually came out pretty good. And you got your perforated leather, something I forgot to mention. You got the perforated leather on the tongue right here. Check it out down there. And you also get a midnight navy perforation of leather behind the pull tab or the back tab of the sneaker around the heel, man, as you guys can see. And y'all know Jordan 3s is famous for, or infamous for, the stars on the tip of the toe box on the outsole. You guys see all them stars right there. And I wonder if they got like an exact count or something like that. I'd be interested in knowing. But of course, you got all your stars down here on the outsole. Again, not a bad sneaker at all. Definitely not worth the $200 retail tag that I said. You guys know me, man. I love Jordan, so it's kind of hard for me to say something is trash because I just like buying J's. Like, I love buying J's a lot. I love rocking J's, but as far as spending $200 for retail, it's a little bit overkill. If I didn't do YouTube, I'm gonna be real, y'all. If I didn't do YouTube, I will wait a couple of months to grab these and wait for them to hit the Nike outlets, or wait for these to go on sale on like Foot Locker or stuff like that, and get these for about 130, 140 bucks, because that's exactly what I think this colorway is worth, man. So you guys let me know down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair of the Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navy. Super interested in knowing how you guys did, if you went after them, if you paid $200. But I know it's a lot of people probably waiting. And let me check Sneakers app just real quick. Let me pull up Sneakers app just to see what's the inevitable, bro. I already know they sitting like crazy, but you just never know, bro. You never know. Okay, so you go into your Sneakers app, you go to all the sneakers in stock, and of course the two highlighted sneakers are the four. You got the PS, the toddlers, the kids, and the men's Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies right here, as y'all can see. But I got everything for y'all, and I'm wondering if, yeah, I knew them was sold out. So the Air Jordan 8 Soulflies, I gotta grab them real quick. Them things sold out, but I did hit on the Soulfly app, bro. Your boy hit on the Soulfly app, so I will be doing a full review and on feed over these very soon. If you guys want to see that, man, drop some fire emojis down below. But I am in love with these Air Jordan 8 Mikasa Tsukasa Soulfly, guys. These things are beautiful, bro. They executed these with perfection, man. You guys see the gear right here, man. We do have on the OutRank Brand collaboration for the Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies, man. You guys can see, bro. Got the gray, got the Midnight Navy. You got the same hits in the T. Also dropped a fire hoodie, bro. Fire hoodie, a nice dad cap right here, man. You guys see the OutRank Midnight Navy hits, and then the sweater, bro. The hoodie, this thing tough, bro. Let me show y'all, bro. Let me show y'all the details that they threw on these guys, man. Look at it, bro. Look at the hoodie, man. Like they went all out with this joint, bro, making it go perfect with the Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies. And wait till I show y'all the back, bro. Check out the back real quick, man, and bam, man. Look at that, bro. Look at the details. Look at the hits, and the quality is super thick. Nice, reliable hoodie. Make sure you go tap in with OutRank Brand ASAP Rocky using the code TheVintage to save you money on all the dope apparel to go with the sneakers you're copping, especially these Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navy things, man. Make sure y'all tap in, link down below in the description box. So yeah, man, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we drop, and leave a huge like on today's video, man. Every time I come to the videos, that's the first thing I should do. Smack that like button and then interact with everybody down below in the comment section. I appreciate all the support. Thanks again for tapping in. Let's go ahead and throw these things back on feed. Show y'all all the pants and jeans I picked for the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 3. Bigger this year, jump out the crib, stack up my Cino this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this. I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real, I'm in control of my feels, you see my highlights and study my real, yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year, the world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence, I'm serving up chills to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam. Everything good on the side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plates, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes, hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes, I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death, get to the checks. Flex, yes, got nothing to lose, it's on the proof. Come from the trench, Cuban links on my neck, tanking, freeze, smoking on dope, that diesel, freeze, running till I miss my season, laid back, geeky, smoking on dope, that diesel, young get gone off the deep end, running till I miss my season, I keep a stack of them blessings, I'm ballin', I'm play calling,
They chain on me matching my smile, you know that I stay saucing.